one more bit so we can put more water. Okay, now we do the more big you can, so it's more easy for you when we put the water, okay? So more big is a hole, more water we can put inside. Okay, perfect. So now we have a water and we put in two parts. So the first one half, and that's what we do with the flour we put inside. And we make like a scrambled eggs. So if you see the water is going around, don't freak out. Use the flour for do like that. And you stop it. Okay? So we do like that, like a scrambled eggs. So you put flour. The last one. And if you want to do like some professional, you can use this one you have around and you do like that. And we make like scrambled eggs.
They have more classes coming up. Oh yeah? Okay. Can it?
So what you can use is to take the more water you can. Try to do like all water around with the flour and make it like this one, like a scramble. And when you're done, put all together and after we pass the second round. You see it? Or if you want to use this one, we clean this one with that. Do like this, we push it. Usually the recipe is for one person is 100 grams this flour, semolina, and 60 grams water. Remember, depends always which kind of semolina. I give you this recipe for this flour. If you change the flour, it's okay, but